Hey guys, I'm Molly from All Healthcare Careers. I'm going to be performing step-by-step CNA skills to ensure your success on the CNA clinical skills portion of the exam. Before we get started, I'd like to show you this CNA practice kit that we put together for you to practice at home with family and friends. It will be linked down in the description along with a video breaking down exactly what's inside the kit. Let's get started. Going to perform hand hygiene, 2 pumps of hand sanitizer. I'm going to knock on the patient's door before entering. Good afternoon, Mrs. Smith. I'm Molly. I'll be your CNA today. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Good. Is right now a good time for me to perform some vital signs?
Sure.
Wonderful. During this skill, you're going to need either a watch or a clock. Mrs. Smith, I'm going to check your radial pulse. During this time, I'll need you to be quiet, okay?
Okay.
Wonderful. I'm going to take Mrs. Smith's hand, place my 2 fingers right above the thumb where I can feel the pulse. It'll feel like a thump. Once you feel the thumps, you're going to start counting. Remember, never to use your thumb to try to check the pulse. Once the full minute is up, go ahead and place the patient's hand back down. You're going to want to record the pulse inside the patient's chart. Mrs. Smith, is there anything else I can do for you?
No, thank you.
Okay, if you need anything, use the call light.
Thank you.
Thank you. After exiting the patient's room, I'm going to perform hand hygiene, 2 pumps of hand sanitizer. We hope you found this video helpful. For additional resources, click the playlist for more CNA skills videos, or try our 3 free-day trial that contains over 1,000 practice questions to ensure your success on the first attempt.